my name is Daniel and welcome back. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see videos of me doing day trips outside of the city every single week. Today we are in Palisades Interstate Park, which is just west of the city. It's on the New Jersey side, but during the hike, you cross into New York. It is a hike that goes along the Hudson River. I've been here in the summer and I've seen, like, if you're afraid of snakes, sometimes there's snakes on this trail. I think that there could possibly be bears up here too. Haven't seen those yet, thankfully. It's definitely a gorgeous hike that's worth coming up here for. And you just gotta be a little careful. You gotta watch where you're going, and then, you know, if you see a snake, just don't touch it. If you see a bear, run away from it. So let's go on the rest of this hike and we'll check it out. Come on.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid? Never thought that I could describe such a lonely place. Now there's all this space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no I'm not okay. I just wanna say
I'm so excited, we're approaching the waterfall.
We get inside of it and like shower.
Like a mermaid? I will definitely be majestic in that waterfall, but only in the summer. It's too cold right now. So you could probably hear the waterfall in the background. It's way nicer than the last one we were at, but it was more difficult to get here, but that waterfall is way nicer than the last one we went to. So we're about to walk to these rock scrambles, and as we're coming here, we're gonna be going back into the New Jersey side. So they're currently in the New Jersey side. Well, she is. Let's go back to Dirty Jers.
Doesn't look too safe.
Okay.
Right now we're in New York.
Jersey! We're walking along the rocks now that are on the river. It's a little challenging to walk, but it's a beautiful view. We're about to conquer the second rock scramble here. They're already conquering it. But let's do it. This one doesn't seem as bad as the other one. These rocks are bigger and wider. Taking a break. These rock clusters, man. These rock clusters are doing it. Rosie, what's your heart rate at?
I don't know, I'm trying to find it.
We're still walking along the Hudson River though. You're just walking up. We're ascending.
130 beats per minute.
130 beats per minute. What are yours?
I don't know how to check it.
I don't either. Like we're in the middle of, like, I don't even know what. Whoa. Abby? Alright, here. Wait, I'm really hot and tired. So we just walked through all these rock clusters. Cloisters? Clusters.
Clusters.
We just walked through all these rock clusters.
And now we gotta do the stairs.
And they're challenging AF. And now we're going to the stairs. And that's the last of this hike. I would say this is intermediate to advanced. Intermediate to advanced hike. That's what this is. But primarily because of the clusters.
Agreed, and these stairs.
We haven't done the stairs yet, so I can't speak to that yet, but
You're gonna learn soon.
I'm gonna learn today. about to be up these steps. These aren't really stairs though.
No, but there are at some point.
So the beginning of this isn't really steps. It's like, it's a gradual hill. But we're about to approach the steps as we walk up around the mountain. I'm exhausted. Oh shit. God damn. About to slide down a mountain. Jesus.
My heart is pounding.
Mine too. This is more than intermediate. You need to be in somewhat bit of shape, right?
Yeah.
You need to be in a little bit of shape to do this.
I think if you're in good shape, it wouldn't be so hard. I think
Why?
the fact that we're all out of shape is what makes it hard.
We're in the home stretch. Another 2 minutes and we're there. We just climbed from the very bottom all the way to the top. All right, we made it to the top. Here's the view. Those are the rock scrambles from above.
I don't see anyone on the trail though.
And that's it. We made it to the top and now we're going home to rest and drink some Gatorade. And make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks. These two clowns. So once we go down these steps and cut across, we're gonna be in California. Look at the stickers on the fence. Meow.
Hey, hurry up,
Do they want to come up?
No, just go, hurry up.
All right.
By the time they get here, we'll be done.
To the top right says wreck.
Hurry up.
Try to keep it steady, okay?
Okay, hurry up.
Naked?
No. And he was like,
You want me naked?
why are you?
No, Rose, get away from the edge, please. You're way too close.
I got it in.
It's like a fitness vlog.
Except you're in jeans.
All right, well. Oh no! Injured! We're right near. What? We would have been done if we would have been done twice, he says. Had I not stopped 100 times. But you know what? You knew this was what was happening today.
He even said he was like, I knew something so long, so I'm less mad about it.
What's a rock scramble? We're about to learn. What's a rock scramble?
It's a lot of rocks that you climb through.
A rock scramble!
It'll take forever if you're filming it.
So we're not going to film this because there's a large rock scramble ahead. A rock scramble. There are 4 of them. Not just 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 rock scrambles. Difficult rock scramble ahead. There is a rock scramble. I've never in my entire life heard of a rock scramble.
Make sure you got your sturdy footwear.
Sturdy footwear. I don't think I have sturdy footwear. I have like street shoes on. I'm a little unprepared with the footwear action and I'm wearing jeans and I should be wearing joggers or something. Dude, your heart rate has to be up. There's no way. What?
Not really.
What do you mean not really?
45 beats per minute.
45 beats a minute? What is mine at? 60? 180.
Your backpack's ripping.
I know, this is like a 2-year-old backpack. Please make sure you like and subscribe for new videos every other week. In theory, every week.